Got the pop top in the luggage rack off the bus. You know, got some moss. It's missing the bars that go across it. Um, Now this is a different story. Apparently someone had it off. They were going to put on a new bellows or the new canvas, and they had it off the car, and the wind blew, kind of like a day like today, and it took a spill. You can see that just pulls up there. There's another crack there, a giant hole there, giant hole there. What else? Yeah, this leading edge is okay. This is the ceiling edge. And yeah, there's another crack there, giant gap missing there. Okay, guys, so everything's clamped in. Got all the glue on there. Driving the bus at night. Oh yeah. Being depressed as because you know the work that you just did is going to be ruined at night. PW Pop Top Take 3. We got our wooden parts all made up, brand spanking new. Just laid it all out, cutting up my fiberglass. We're gonna clamper, screwer, and gluer. Alright. We got her flipped over. We started patching some Duraglass. Thank God for allergy season. Okay, there's our top here. Got the bulk of everything patched up. Now we're working on our rusted top here. Front's good. We'll get that perfect. Choke's readjusted because it's not 10 degrees in the morning anymore. We got her off, we got her top off. We're gonna do some body work. We're gonna do some painting on the top. We're gonna get this baby back together. I wasn't even broken. Oh yeah. One piece. One piece. All right. When you're good, you're good. So you guys don't know how many times I've gotten, oh, where's the emblem in the front? Oh, is it a Volkswagen? Oh, is it, where's the Volkswagen emblem? Blah, 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 blah. Naturally, that was the first thing to get sold when someone picked this bus up, okay? Because it's expensive and everyone wants it. I don't care, because if you don't know that this damn bus is a Volkswagen bus, then you shouldn't even be looking at it. Look away. Anyways, I got sick and goddamn tired of hearing people, where's the emblem, where's the emblem? So you know what? I spray painted it on. There you go. You happy? This is on you guys. Okay, about halfway down the top here. Look at that, baby. Back here, it looks perfect. Is it perfect? No. Hell no. You can obviously see how I was there. But, you also got to realize, before I had this, there was nothing there. So I made something from nothing. Alright? And I did it under... Shoot, I had most of the stuff left over from the boat build, so most of it I did for free. I just spent like 40 bucks on the paint and the stuff like that just now, but everything else I had in there, the lumber and all that stuff, so. Anyways, yeah, like I said, almost every corner, actually every corner was messed up. That one still is messed up a little, but the seal, we'll cover that, I'm pretty sure. Anyways, I'll put a couple more on. A couple more light coats. But it's looking really nice. Way better. Luggage rack. Finished. Pop top. Finished. Putting on our final coats on the top. So I was sanding the top on the other side of the bus. Well, about 60, 70 feet away, here's the sanding disc that flew off at one point in time. Holy shit.